the Wonder Words basket, I can find a word that will help us get the box with the note. What letter is this? H. H. What sound does H make? And this is op. Now let's put them together. Op. What word is this? Hop. Hop. Hop is an op word. I love op words. It's time to rhyme. Top, mop, stop. Wonderific, you're terrific. Drop, hop, flop. Wonderific, you're terrific. Op! Let's see if the word hop will help us get the box.
I can't get the box. It's hopping too fast. Phew!
The word hop didn't work. We need another op word. What letter is this? T. T. What sound does T make? T. T. And we know that this says op. Now let's put them together. T. Op. What word is this? Top. Top. Let's see what happens with the word top.
Hooray!
Wonderific! You are terrific. We found the word top and moved the box to the top. Which means now I can get the note. Meow power!